Hind, my dear student. So today I am starting with the topic latitudes and longitudes. Okay. So most of you must have learned about latitudes and longitudes, but most of you maybe not. Okay. So we will revise. We will learn about latitudes and longitudes. So the first question which comes in our mind is that if suppose that I am in Siwani, okay, so if I want to send the location of my place to somebody, so how I will be able to tell them the location. Okay, so for this the earth is divided into different lines, and we call them horizontal line or vertical line. Okay, so there is a word which describe about these lines, and that word is grid. Okay, this is the word which describe about horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, and I hope let's have definition of grid. What is grid? Grid is a straight line that cross each other to form a straight line. Okay, this is grid. It is simply a line and it crosses each other to form a straight line. Okay, so this is grid. Let's have an example. Suppose that this is our earth. Okay, so if I want to draw grid, so these are the lines which I am drawing. Okay, so these are the lines vertical. We call this line, we will call horizontal line. Horizontal line. And this line we call it vertical. Vertical line. Okay. So these are the grid. It is forming a square between each of the line. Okay. So this is the grid. Grid is just a line. Okay, straight line. So with the help of this grid, we are able to describe about our location to somebody if we want to send. Okay, so how this grid is related to latitudes and longitudes. So this is what we are going to study. So as I have already told you, horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, so our earth is covered by many horizontal lines and vertical lines. So these horizontal and vertical lines are called latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so first I will draw latitude for you. Latitude. So what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary line. Okay, drawn across the earth. So these are the latitudes. Now you will ask me, well, if these are latitudes, if this is the horizontal line, if horizontal line is latitude, then what is vertical line? Vertical line क्या है हमारे अर्थ में जो drawn की गई थी? So these vertical lines which are drawn on this earth we call them longitudes. Okay? क्या कहते हैं हम इन्हें longitudes बोलते हैं. Okay, so I hope latitudes and longitudes are clear. Okay, now we will learn more about latitudes. That what are latitudes? We will learn its definition, its features, and some of the lines. You can say some of the main important lines drawn on the earth. So the first topic is lines of latitude. So as I have already told you about latitude, what are latitude? Latitudes are horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line, not a vertical. Vertical are longitude, and this thing, horizontal line, is latitude. So let's have a definition of latitude. So what are latitude? Latitudes are imaginary horizontal line that cross from east to west. Okay, so let's have again latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary line. Okay, imaginary horizontal line that cross from east to west. Okay, so suppose that this is our earth. Okay, so east to west मतलब east से west की तरफ, like this. Okay, so these are latitudes. Now, in this latitude, we have one very important line, and we call it equator. Suppose that this is equator, line of equator. Okay, and it is on 0 degree. Okay, so this line of equator divides the earth into two equal parts. Okay, and these latitudes are also called parallels of latitude. What we call it? Parallels of latitude. Now, why we call it parallels of latitude? Because in between we have this equator, and it is the largest line drawn on this earth. Okay, largest line, it is the longest line. It is the longest line we drawn on the earth. Okay, and it's divide the earth into two equal parts. That is from this part we will call northern hemisphere, and the south part we will call it southern hemisphere. Okay, so this equator divides the earth into two equal hemispheres, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And I was telling you that why these lines of latitude are called parallel lines of latitude, because these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, they are parallel to each other. Now, parallel means आमने सामने, same, आमने. For example, like you and me, we both are in front of each other, okay, but you are able to see me, I'm not able to see you, okay, but what happens here, these two lines able to see each other, that is why they are parallel lines of latitude, okay. So this is the latitude, okay, and it is on 0 degree, okay. Now we will learn about features of latitude. So now let's learn about features of latitude, okay. So as I have already explained you about latitude, what are latitudes, its definition, and how on earth we will draw them, okay. So let's have a definition. So features of latitude. Latitudes are measured in degree. We always measure latitude in degree. For example, 90 degree you can say, okay. We will not say 90. Suppose that this is the earth, okay, and we will not say that this latitude is at the angle of 90. No, this is wrong. We will say this latitude is at the angle of 90 degree. This is the right way to explain about this degree, okay. The second thing is the 0 degree latitude is called equator. As I have already told you that the earth is divided by a longest line, and that line we call it equator, okay, and this equator is at the angle of 0 degree, okay, and it is the longest line drawn on the earth, longest imaginary line drawn on the earth, okay. Now the third one is the lines of latitude are shorter near the pole. Shorter near the poles, as I have already told you that earth is little bit tilt, okay. So this is the north pole and this is the south pole, okay. And as I have told you that this earth is divided into two equal hemispheres, that is north hemisphere and south hemisphere, and these are the poles. So as we go nearer to the poles, these lines become shorter. You will able to see, okay. See, these lines become shorter, okay. That is why they are saying the lines of latitude near poles the lines of latitude are shorter near poles. That is why it is saying like this, okay. So the fourth one is the parallels to the north of the equator, यानी कि इक्वेटर के पैरेलल, यानी कि नॉर्थ ये साइड है हमारा, अपवर्ड साइड हमारा नॉर्थ है, आर नंबर एज एन. इसको हम कैसे, इस एरिया को, इस पोर्शन को, इक्वेटर के इस पोर्शन को हम एन नंबर डिनोट करते हैं एंड इसको हम एस नंबर डिनोट करते हैं, ओके. नाउ यू विल आस्क मी, मैम यू सेड नंबर्ड एज एन, पर यहाँ पे तो नंबर है ही नहीं, इट इज द अल्फाबेट, ओके. सो वी आर जस्ट सेइंग इट दैट इट इज numbered as. We can also say that it is denoted as S or denoted as N. So number, don't think that I am saying number. So we will write here number, okay. Alpha N is not a number, it is an alphabet, okay. So that is why इक्वेटर के ऊपर का जो हिस्सा है हम उसे N से डिनोट करते हैं और जो उसके नीचे का है साउथ पोल की तरफ को उसको हम S से डिनोट करते हैं. नाउ देयर आर 180 ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स इन ऑल, 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ एंड 90 डिग्री साउथ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि 180 डिग्री हमारे पास 180 लैटिट्यूड्स है, यानी कि हम ऐसे नहीं काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6, दिस इज रॉन्ग। ओके, 180 डिग्री ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स मतलब हमारे जितने भी लैटिट्यूड्स हैं these are at the angle of 180 degree. Okay, so 180 degree overall earth का है, and if we will see like north and south, so north is 90 degree north and 90 degree south, at the angle of 90 degree north and 90 degree south. So these are the features of latitude. I hope you understood it. Now we will learn about some important lines drawn on this latitudes and longitudes. So the third topic is important lines. Okay, so what are those important lines? I will explain you with the help of this diagram. Suppose that this is the this is our earth. Okay, as this is the first line, that is equator, and this equator is at the 0 degree, at the angle of 0 degree. Okay, so the second line, important line, is this. We called it Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and it is at the angle of 23.5 degree north. Okay, and its parallel line is this. We called it Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn, and it is also at the angle of 23.5 degree south. Okay, so this is the equator. It's divide the earth into two equal hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and Tropic of Cancer is at the 23.5 degree north, northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn is at the 23.5 degree southern hemisphere. Okay, these are the three important lines. Now the fourth one is this Arctic Circle. Okay, and this Arctic Circle is at the 66.5 degree north, and its parallel to here is Antarctic Circle, and this Antarctic Circle is 66.5 degree south. Okay, so these are the important lines of latitude, important lines of latitude, okay, which will help you to recognize where you, at which place you belong to. Okay, I hope this latitude you understood it very well. Okay, and if you have any difficulty, please go through your chapter, that is chapter number 2 of class 5th. Okay, and now in the next video I will explain you about longitudes and its features and important lines of longitudes. Thank you and Jai Hind.